Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do some mucking out the barn today, the horse barn. It's been so wet this winter and it's finally dried up a little bit enough to scrape it out. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now, and then show you us cleaning it out, and then we'll see what it looks like after all that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this area we're just gonna scrape up this right here. There's some poop, and then right here is the bad part in front of the barn, in front of the shed. There's all that and all this hay and junk on the ground. So we'll scrape that out with the front end loader and the box blade. So I'm gonna show you guys what's working, so let's get to work. Hey guys, as you've seen, we're scraping this up. We got this big old pile we put into a pile, and then we'll take it off back there into the woods. I still have to scrape this area some. I just wanted to show you guys where we're at now. I got the barn pretty good, but now I got it to where it's ground now, and so it can dry out. So I got that all scraped out pretty good for now. And so it can dry out in a few days. I'll come back and scrape all this wet stuff back up. So I'm gonna finish scraping this up right here, and then I'm gonna show you guys moving that pile over to the woods over there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. Hey guys, I'm gonna do the best I can, show you guys moving this pile. It's kind of a lot, and I have to bring it all the way back there, so yeah, let's start moving it. Okay, I'm back at the camera now, and this is what it turned out to look like. It's still a little wet underneath all of that, so I scraped all the top layer off, and then when it dries up, I'll scrape this rest of the layer up. It's not wanting to come off, as you see. So when it dries up some more, it should dry up faster since we scraped it off. So if it dries up some more, I'll come back and scrape the rest of this up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hey guys, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe and comment in the section below, and stay tuned for the next one. See ya.